By a twist of fate, I ended up at the Yamaha test drive with automatic transmissions. This is the first time in my life I've had this kind of experience. I've ridden a lot of Hondas with automatic transmissions, but this is my first time on a Yamaha. Well, will it shift? It shifted. Well, it's actually not too bad judging by the feel of it. Something is slowly shifting. Yeah, listen, of course it's clear that with Honda has 15 years experience in this field while Yamaha is just starting. But so far, it's shifting smoothly and steadily. It's a pity we won't be going fast yet. I'm pretty sure about that. So for now, we're staying in third gear. To be honest, I expected worse, and now it shifted into fourth. Because Honda uses a DCT system with 2 clutches. Here in the Yamaha, as far as I know, there's only 1 clutch. Whoa, these powerful brakes are absolutely incredible. But this is quite a powerful motorcycle, so it needs good brakes. It just bites into the asphalt instantly. Excellent brakes, absolutely fantastic. I don't ride powerful motorcycles that often, especially sport bikes and street bikes, those street fighters. But here, there's a 3-cylinder engine and it goes really energetically. Yeah, I noticed issues with the gearbox. Well, not the box itself, but the gear shifting. It's not like it really gets in the way, but the shifting is noticeably rougher than on the Honda. Especially when downshifting. You can feel it when upshifting too, but it's even more noticeable when downshifting. I'm braking hard. By the way, the blinker activates. Did you see? When you brake sharply, the blinker comes on. Here's a hard brake for you. No. You need to be traveling at a much higher speed for it to work. Take a look at the blinker right here. The turn signals are flashing. The motorcycle tries to lift up, but the electronics actively work to suppress the movement. The gear shifts, yes, are a bit rough. But actually the rider will get used to this kind of shifting. In general, they won't really care much at all. But for the passenger, it might be a bit uncomfortable in the back. If having a passenger is important to you, then of course it's better to shift on a Honda. Of course, yes, Honda's automatic transmission works better. But Honda does not currently offer a motorcycle quite like this one. So if you basically like the Yamaha MT-09, and I really like it. It is an awesome bike. It handles nicely and it feels very lightweight. It feels like a 07 in terms of weight characteristics, and it really rips, just excellent. Well, it's practically a leader bike. That's how it is. And the shifting, yeah, it's a bit on the rough side, but I honestly expected worse. I don't know. The only thing is, during a deep lean, you'll really feel those gear changes in a deep turn. I think that if they've already released this motorcycle, then everything should be fine. It should be fine. At least, I hope so. Otherwise, there would have been a scandal. The brakes are truly incredible, and they are remarkably impressive. Overall, the impression of the motorcycle is excellent. It's a pleasant, comfortable, not heavy street bike with good torque. At low revs. You don't have to rev it up for half an hour, like you do with 4-cylinder motorcycles, to get it going. It starts accelerating much more actively. Comfortable, pleasant, lightweight. The suspension seems to be okay, but the shifting is definitely weird compared to Honda, but that's alright. This is my first experience with Yamaha. The gear shifts even make a clanking sound like wham. But again, I'll say it, I expected a much worse result. Yamaha is quite pleasing, as is typical for them. The seat is good. There is even a glove compartment right here. No way.
What can fit in there?
A phone. A phone, and there is even a nice spot for charging it. Everything is lined with something soft.
But it's really nice that at least you can safely store your phone in there.
Now, the Tracer. The Tracer is also a 900. The motorcycle is smooth and comfortable. I'd never ridden the Tracer before. Your legs aren't bent too much and the wind protection is good. Well, at least the windshield is big. But you can still feel the wind hitting your knees. But that's not the main thing, that's not important. I signed up for the test drive to try out the automatic transmission. That's what I'm interested in. It seems to me that the main drawback of Yamaha's automatic at the moment is mostly that it operates much more roughly. And this is mainly relevant when running at low RPMs at speeds comparable to a walking pace. In this case, of course, Yamaha falls significantly behind Honda. Notice that no one can turn off the turn signals. There's some kind of new turn signal system here, and it turns off really badly for some reason. I can't figure it out myself. A huge button for the right turn signal, a small button for the left turn signal, and how to turn them off is completely unclear. I try pressing in the middle with my finger, but it doesn't work very well. So there are 2 automatic modes here, D and D1. Right now I'm driving in D. In theory, D1 is the more sporty mode. That is, it should simply hold the revs longer, allow you to increase them for a longer time without shifting gears, and shift later than in D. But right now I don't even know how to switch to it. And the regular D holds the revs pretty well as it is, in my observation. In a Honda, the gear would have shifted a long time ago. I didn't make it in time. I tried to find the clutch lever with my hand, but it's not there. Look, I accelerated to almost 100 kilometers per hour in first gear, and only after that did it shift into second gear. I'm even afraid to imagine what happens in D1. Maybe on the contrary, D1 is a more relaxed mode, I honestly don't even know anymore. But that would be counterintuitive. But here too, you can shift gears with the paddles, just like on the Honda. You can manually control and adjust the gear yourself. Boom. Quickly downshifted the gears and floored it. Boom, smoothly upshifted again. Well, not bad, it's convenient. Of course, both on the Honda and even more so on the Yamaha, it would be quite a disappointment if there were no paddles and only an automatic mode. Boom, downshifted a few gears and accelerated away quickly. Really amazing. To conclude, first, congratulations to Yamaha on their debut. Respect, I've been waiting for this from everyone for ages. It's good that at least this year BMW, KTM and Yamaha have finally started moving. The motorcycles themselves are wonderful. The automatic shifting works much better than I expected. I thought it would be a total disaster, but it turned out to be not nearly as bad as I thought. It's a bit rough, of course, especially at low speeds, and it's still far from Honda, still a long way to go. But Honda had 15 years to reach the result that Honda has now. For Yamaha, this is their debut. Respect to Yamaha, the Yamaha team are awesome. The MT-09 rides amazingly. It brakes very well. The Tracer is simply a wonderful, comfortable motorcycle. Exactly the kind where, when you get on it, you feel like you could ride for incredibly long distances. For weeks or even for months. And it won't effortlessly wear you out. The only thing that I traditionally want is for a touring motorcycle to be just a bit taller. The Tracer, of course, is much taller than the MT-09, but I'd still like it to be a bit higher, so that the knee bend angle would be even less sharp. Well, at low revs and low speed, it actually noticeably rocks a bit when shifting gears. Overall, you can get used to it. If you want a Yamaha, this shouldn't stop you. See you soon. Bye, everyone.